So the final thing that we're going to cover is improving our user experience when we drag an image or any kind of file into our page. So at the moment, we can successfully drag an image. It prevents the default action of the browser actually occurring, which means that we do not open an image. However, if we drop an image outside of our drop zone, you can see that this does in fact load the image. So what we're going to essentially do is bind some events to our document. This will then allow us to handle the drag over and the drop events anywhere on our page. So we can do this underneath. We can say document, add event listener. And for this, we're going to add a drag over event. Now we talked about this already, and this is something that we need to do is bind this event prevent default to the document as well for both the drag over and the drop events. So what happens now is when we save this out, our body has now been registered via both of these events as a valid drop zone. We can, of course, drag our image in. This gives us the file, and we can also drag the image elsewhere on the page, and you can see that nothing is happening. So this is really nice. And this is something where I'm sure you've experienced it before. You may have dragged as a user, and then you've perhaps accidentally left a drop zone, and then you've opened an image, and it's perhaps destroyed the page, destroyed the session, cleared a form that you've perhaps been working on, or something that's negatively impacted the experience of the website. So this drag over bound to our document essentially allows us to enhance the user experience when we are dragging and dropping. Now, this is just a nice little tip. That's it for this chapter, and we're going to dive into finishing off our file APIs with the file reader, file list, and file.